Hey guys, thanks for stopping by thetradinganalyst.com. It's Taylor, and we're going to take a look at the Biotech daily chart. I'm going to go over my analysis and my thought process, just to give you guys an idea of what I'm seeing, and hopefully it gives you guys some value and some profitable trading ideas from this free analysis video. But first, what I want you to do is visit us here on the homepage of the website and just really get to know us better. When you get to know us better, you're going to see everything that the service has to offer and everything that you're going to get when you sign up today. The other cool part is, you also get to know us, but you get to see what other people are saying about the membership. Because this is my service. Of course, I'm going to say and think that I have the best service out there, and I really truly believe that because our members are making money, they're happy. And they're happy to do these testimonials for us. But it's good to see from a different perspective from people who are actually inside the membership within this program here that you're going to get when you sign up today. And the cool part is when you sign up today, you're actually getting instant access to the same profitable trading alerts that these current members are getting and talking about in these testimonials and reviews. So if you're looking to make money in the market and really just stop losing in the market and to gain some consistency in your trading, then this membership is exactly what you need, and you need to sign up today, because when you sign up today, you're getting instant access to the profitable trading alerts that are sent directly to your cell phone in real time for both the buy and sell alerts, okay? So if you're sick and tired of looking over hundreds of charts a day, or however many you look at a day, and you want to rely on a professional, somebody who does this full-time like I do, then you need to sign up and join, because that's what I do. I do the charts, I do the analysis, I send you the trades, and these are proven to win, and these are the same trades that are discussed in the testimonials by all of our current members. And the cool part is actually this week we have a special going on for Memorial Day. You have an opportunity to save $100 off of the annual membership that's already really discounted, and you can do that by applying the discount code SAVE100. All right, you get to save $100 off of the annual membership, and this is for this week only. All right, I don't want you guys to miss out on this super low price. This is the lowest we've ever offered our membership at, and it expires this week. So sign up today, and you're going to be able to get $100 off, and you're getting instant access to those winning trade alerts, so you can gain some consistency in your trading, and you can start making money in the market as early as tomorrow. All right, so let's take at this chart here, shall we? So this is IBB. I'm doing an updated chart here on IBB. I've called for the breakout here for a while. I'm just going to kind of review why we've been calling for the breakout step by step, not to brag, not to toot my own horn, but so that you can learn and grow and get better, because that's why we make these videos, is so that you can grow and get better as a trader, and most importantly, why we're all here is to make money in the market. So let's review kind of, we had this falling wedge right here, trading back and forth right here. So there was that falling wedge pattern. We also had this support, boom, boom, boom. Here's a hit, another hit. Are you guys seeing all these hits? You guys seeing that? All right, so we've got this support and this falling wedge into the support. We also had, let me move my face a little bit. We also had, and this is what I like to see on falling wedge patterns or rising wedge patterns, is I like to see a positive divergence on the indicators, all right? So what that means is as price is heading lower, all right, we had MACD trending higher, all right? You see this low, and then this is a higher low, all right? And you can see right here, we made a low here, and then a similar low here, all right? So price is heading lower, but MACD is heading higher. That is a positive divergence, all right? So that's what I like to see on counter trend patterns, because that's exactly what this falling wedge is. So we called for the breakout. We got the breakout right here, and let me move my face over again. Here we go. So we called for the breakout, and then right here we've been pointing out this sideways trading was most likely going to lead to an upside move, okay? Now the reason why we said that is because when you have a trend up or a trend in any direction, okay, down or up, and then it's followed by a sideways trading, because that's all this was, you know, trading between, you know, $1 range, $2 range, you know, this is very sideways trading. So when you have that, it's a consolidation pattern, and it's just resting before the next move higher, okay? You have to have a trend, which we did. We had this trend up, and then we had a rest, and now we're looking at a breakout here. Today, I think, is day one of the breakout outside of this range. We finally broke over this resistance. You can see it was resistance here, there, right here, 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 here. Finally, we close over that resistance, because it's the close that's important, guys, okay? Does that make sense? All right, we have to close over that price. All right, let's say we would have traded up this high, and then we ended up closing all the way down here. Well, it doesn't matter if we hit this high if we ended up closing all the way down here, okay? The close is the most important thing. So we finally closed over this range. It's also the volume point of control. You can see this big red bar right here, and we finally traded over that, okay? If you don't know what volume by price is, it's exactly what the name suggests. It's how much volume has been traded, excuse me, at a particular price point, as opposed to down here. These bars are volume bars by a day, time, okay? So each bar represents a day of volume, and over here we have volume by price. It's exactly what the name suggests. So large volume by price bars are called volume point of control, okay? Actually, the highest volume bar is called the volume point of control, and that creates a level of resistance if you're below it, or support. Resistance if you're below it, yes, and support if you're above it. So since we were below this volume point of control, breaking over it is another break of resistance. All right, guys. So I am thinking that Biotech is going to head higher from here. We've been calling for a breakout ever since these lows, and I do think that we're getting more and more signs of that confirmation, making new highs and breaking out higher. So that's what we're looking at for Biotech. So thank you for stopping by and watching this video. I really hope that we provided a lot of value to you, because that's why we make these videos, is so that you can grow and get better as a trader. The other cool part is that, you know, when you watch these videos, you're getting to know us, and you're getting to see what it's like to be a member inside of the tradinganalyst.com and inside the premium membership. And the cool part is when you sign up today, you're getting instant access to the profitable winning trade alerts. And these are delivered directly to your cell phone, so you can trade from anywhere, at work, on the road, wherever, and you're still going to be able to participate in the market. So if you're sick and tired of losing in the market, if you're sick and tired of lacking consistency in your trading, then this membership is exactly what you need to get you over that hump, and to give you something to start making money in the market, because that's why we're all here. And the cool part is today you can save $100 off of the annual membership by applying the discount code SAVE100. And remember, guys, it's for this week only. All right, this is the lowest price we've offered the annual membership at ever. Okay, ever. So it's not going to be around long, and I don't want you to miss out and have to pay the higher price at a later point in time. So sign up today, use the discount code SAVE100, and you're going to be on your way to making money in the market as soon as tomorrow.